Good afternoon. We are in Laindatang, Hambarita, Sumba Timor, Nusa Tenggara Timor, and then this is where we are working since almost 2 or 3 years. We live in this small house without electricity, without road access. The truck of life is here, and the school we are working, and all the villages around here. In this place, we start next week building a 110 cubic water tank, 110,000 liter water tank filled by rain harvesting, filtered rain harvesting, to give enough water to the 200 people live around here during the dry season in here. Thank you very much for the support. See you soon.